Good day, guys. So, magdi-discuss ako all about job opportunities if you are equipped with SQL Server. Okay, so ito yung kadalasang tinatanong sa akin, ano po ba yung mga trabaho na pwedeng mapasukan kapag, syempre, na-train ako ng SQL Server? Marami yan, okay? So, let's start with database administrator. So, sa database administrator, ito yung person na nag-a-administer at nagfa-facilitate ng isang SQL Server. Okay, ikaw namamahalang mag-manage ng mga database sa isang server. Ikaw rin yung magpaparan ng mga jobs manually, and then ikaw yung magmo-monitor ng mga automated jobs at iba pa. So, ang swelduhan nito is pumapatak pag DBA ka. Basically, ngayong 2021, pumapalo siya 30K pataas. Ngayon, next is the data scientist. Itong data scientist is the most trending job. It's because itong data scientist involve data science that includes machine learning, data mining, at saka yung tinatawag na big data. Okay, so itong data scientist is used for, o yung trabaho mo is for analyzing and predicting results. Okay, so mostly ang pino-forecast nito is results for a company para ma-weight nila kung anong pwedeng gawin nila in the near future. Next is the so-called developer. Okay, pag sinabi kong developer, hindi ko na siya sinabing SQL developer, PHP developer, .NET developer. Inisa ko na lang. Ibig sabihin, kapag marunong ka ng PHP, .NET, Java, Python, kailangan mong matutunan yung database. Kasi ang isang database, balik nga ako, is siya yung bangko ng lahat ng mga data. So, dapat mo maintindihan kung paano mag-pull, paano mag-update, paano mag-delete ng data. So, paano magagawa? So, kailangan mo ma-equip kung paano ang SQL database. Okay? So, yung mga PHP, .NET, Java, yun yung mga platform kung saan pwede natin i-program yung mga logic. Okay? Logic natin, yung mga codes, expression para makabuo tayo ng system or program. Okay? So, this is called a developer. Ang sweldo ng developer bagong salta is, let's say, 25. Tapos, after 2 years, pwede ka na sumweldo ng 50. Totoo to Okay? And then, pinaka-max nito is siguro, max na nito 150, 200. Ganon developer. Dito sa Pinas. Next, ETL. So, pag sinabi nating ETL is a process called extraction. Let's say you have an email. Tapos, i-convert natin lahat ng mga data doon. Yung to, yung body ng email, yung date modified, date to created, i-convert natin to columns sa SQL. So, ita-transform natin. So, ETL stands for Extraction, Transformation, Loading of Data. So, you're gonna extract it from a source like email, Excel, tapos i-convert natin to sa SQL Server or any database platform. It can either be MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, of course. So, ito yung ETL. So, sa SQL Server, dapat marunong kang SSIS kapag ETL ang pinag-uusapan natin. Okay? So, ang swelduhan nito, syempre, specialization to, siguro 30 pataas. Next, business intelligence. Okay, so business intelligence is more focused on data warehousing. When I say data warehousing, kailangan mo marunong ka in terms of SQL Server marunong ka mag-SSIS, wherein it involves ETL. Next, SSAS. Dapat marunong ka mag-cubing at saka dimensions. And last but not the least, yung reporting. Siyempre, yung mga output, kailangan mo ma-produce ng isang report or graph or something, or dashboard. So, yun yung trabaho ni Business Intelligence. So, swelduhan nito is 35 pataas sa Pinas. Next, eto, SQL Trainer. So, itong SQL Trainer, ang swelduhan naman nito is 35 minimum. tapos max of 70. Okay, so anong trabaho nito? Iti-train mo yung mga zero knowledge na SQL student or SQL professional na gustong mag-enhance ng kanilang skills. So, yun. Ang swelduhan nito is 30 to 50. Kadalasan ng mga trainer na to is mga professor sa schools and then get certified. So, yun yung importante sa trainer. Okay? Next, SQL Server Content Writer. Usually, ito yung mga author ng mga libro. Okay? Or mga taong napag-utusan ng isang company na mag-build ng manual ng SQL. So, yun, content writer sila. Swelduhan nito, 30 to 50. Swelduhan nito. There. Next is SQL Trainer. Tapos na natin to, alam ko. Okay, we're good with this one. Okay. Next is Big Data Expert. So, pag sinabi nating Big Data Expert, ito yung expert na nagdi-deal ng big data where SQL Server uses Spark or Polybase to query big data using Transact SQL. So, ito mostly it involves AWS and Azure. Okay? So, kailangan equip ka with DevOps functionality. So, swelduhan nito pumapatak is 40 pataas. Next, Data BI in Analyst. Ito yung mga assistant ng isang manager, IT manager. It's because yung data analyst, ina-analyze niya how the data works, how the data behave. Tapos itong business analyst naman, kino-convert niya yung data to a system na merong application ng business rule ng isang company. So yun. Okay? So when you combine the data to business analyst, yun doon pumapasok yung tinatawag ng data architect, database architect or solution architect. Okay? So when I say solution architect, kailangan marunong ka ng database, dapat marunong ka ng mga workflow ng mga business rules, and then last is yung Azure or AWS. Depende kung ano gagamitin nyo. Okay, swelduhan nito is nasa 40 hanggang 150. After nito, you can be a project manager. So, one step at a time tayo. Pagkatapos ito, you can be a project manager. So, napaka-importanteng maintindihan ni manager itong database. So, that ends my discussion about opportunities, jobs, if you get equipped with SQL Server. You can follow and subscribe to my channels. Dalawa yan. Isang Prof. Dale and then iMerge IT Consultancy kapag paid training naman. Itong Prof. Dale kadalasan, dyan pumapasok yung mga free training ko. Okay, so thank you and good day and hope you learned something to me. Thank you.